So main thing, let's start. I'm going to start on this outside edge first. So remember, you can hold it whichever way up feels comfortable to you. The key is light pressure. You can vary it slightly, and the length of hair is the length of your stroke. So we've got quite short hairs here, and I'm going to use a really light pressure to start with, and I can always press just a little bit firmer if I need to. Remember to look at which direction they're growing in, because that's kind of the key thing here. So I'm going to just start working up this lighter edge. Now we've got some slightly longer wibbly. This is where you can start getting your wibbles in a bit more, with your wavy hairs coming out on this bit here. We've got some wibbly wibbles. I'll try and get my hand out the way so you can see, not get my arm stuck in it either. I need to go that way, so let's try and... You can see, because we got that nice good layer underneath, even though we've got lots of dark on top, we can get it to come off quite easily. If it's not coming off easily, what I will say is you've probably not got enough of a base coat down. It's really important to get that really firm pressure. I mean, I really hope you are getting them off easily after all this work, I've got to be honest, but do the best you can. You know, it's all a learning experience, and then every so often do just sweep away the loose bits. And also you can see how dirty my knife is there. Make sure you give it a bit of a clean as well, so you're not just spreading them around. Now you can see already the texture in there compared to, say, the other ear is looking lovely. This is what it's all about. So I'm going to put some more in here. Now I do need to put a dark bit in there, but that's okay, we can come back and fix that. Now we've got a few. Take your time here, because we've got, while they don't have to be exactly like on the reference photo, you kind of want to get the same idea, you know, of how long the hair is, how much light you're getting, you know, that sort of thing, to direction, to make it look realistic. Now in this dark bit there are a few lighter bits, just slightly. I'm barely touching the paper here. I'm just doing a few very light bits, and I can always just push them back slightly into that dark as well. So the key here is to, where you want the lightest ones, then just press that tiny bit firmer, just to make them stand out a little bit more.